Hi, my name is Karina Sapelnikova, and today I will be telling you about the impact of aviation engineering on the rising global issue of climate change. I will begin by explaining what climate change is and how global warming is one of its main constituents. Then, I will explore the environmental impacts of aviation and the need for change from mechanical engineers. Finally, I will introduce you to the Solar Impulse 2, an innovative airplane that operates on solar energy alone. Realizing the imprint that we are leaving on our planet, mechanical engineering has truly begun to soar towards change in the aviation industry. So, what is climate change? According to a smart guy named David Suzuki, in a nutshell, climate change occurs when long-term weather patterns are altered, for example, through human activity. Over the course of the last century, there has been an unusual increase in the average global temperature, also known as global warming, accompanied by some extremes of weather. What happens is carbon dioxide and other pollutants called greenhouse gases are collecting in the atmosphere like a thickening blanket, trapping the sun's heat and causing the planet to warm up. Statistics show that since the 1900s, the global average temperature has risen by 0.7 degrees Celsius. As mechanical engineers, we need to know why this is happening and what to do about it. At 30%, the second largest contributor of greenhouse gases lies in the heart of mechanical engineering field, the transportation industry. When it comes to cars and ground transportation, people now have many options of alternative fuel sources that eliminate any noxious exhaust. There are battery electric vehicles, hydrogen cell fuel engines, and air engines to name a few, but what about aerial travel? Compared to other modes of transport, traveling by air has a greater climate impact per passenger kilometer. Ultimately, it accounts for 4 to 9% of the total climate change impact of human activity. In addition to high pollution emissions, planes leave behind contrails of vapor that further trap heat within our atmosphere. However, mechanical engineering still has a long way to go in order to advance aviation as far as vehicle fuel alternatives. Recently, mechanical engineering has reached a milestone in the aerospace business thanks to two men from Switzerland. Looking to voyage around the world without fuel or pollution, they have built the Solar Impulse 2, a single-seater aircraft that runs entirely on solar energy. Made of carbon fiber, the plane has a 72-meter wingspan, larger than that of a Boeing 747, and 17,000 solar cells built onto the wings and the back. It has a weight of just 2,300 kilograms, equivalent to that of a car. The solar energy collected on the solar panels supply 4 electric motors with renewable energy and propels the machine up to 140 kilometers per hour through the sky. The process has a 92% efficiency and emits no greenhouse gases. Solar Impulse's ambition is to demonstrate the importance of clean technologies to minimize the impact of air travel on climate change. To wrap up, the warming of our planet is a new phenomenon to the field of engineering, and as professionals, we need to adapt to this change. The increasing emissions from everyday air travel are contributing more and more pollutants to our atmosphere. This is a serious issue for mechanical engineers, and research into emission-free planes is only getting started. Luckily, two incredible men from Switzerland have really pushed the boundaries of this research by making the first ever aircraft to fly on solar energy alone. I hope this presentation has inspired some of you, fellow mechanical engineers, to bring innovation to the aviation industry.